Are going to go to Whole Foods to get some groceries. The best place in the world. This is my first time getting it. So I don't know how much you want. Just a little. Wait, how do I do this? Press start. Where's start? These are my favorite blueberries. They have to be from Peru. Those are the best ones. They're like sour and sweet and firm. I hate, nothing's worse than soggy blueberries, you know? Ooh, I like this mug. Very sensual. These are so good. They have no added sugar in them. They're just pure mango. Okay, so went to Whole Foods. I'm gonna show you what I got. We got some instant ramen. I mean, is it healthy? Not really, but it's healthier. Contains 88% organic ingredients. Got that dried mango, which is fire. Some tabbouleh. Blueberries, the best blueberries. We got some raspberry jam, some green tea. Oh man, this heavy. Ugh. The dinosaur kale, or it was called like lacinato, or something like that. Almond butter. I'm very excited about this almond butter. Some brown rice. 2 of my favorite green apple green tea from Urban Zen. I'm tiptoeing right now. Zevia, Coca-Cola and ginger ale flavor. And then some pickles. Let me try to make it pretty looking. Some things you can get at Walmart for cheaper, so I got a big box of grape tomatoes, 2 bananas, and then this one is my favorite kombucha, the lychee jasmine from Rise. Since it's purple, I feel like it has kind of a grape taste. Does it taste like lychee? Honestly, I don't really think so, but it tastes definitely the best kombucha I've ever had. And then here, 2 for $20, got a few chicken breasts, and I can't eat all these in a week, so I like to get Ziploc bags and freeze them, and whenever I want to use them I just defrost them and it's like new. So I like to label them like this, so when I grab it in my freezer, I know if it's gone bad or something like that, just so I have an idea. You just save money that way. And of course, we've got our skinless, boneless chicken thighs, which are so bomb. I like these way more than these. This has more fat, so it's a lot more flavorful. Definitely look forward to eating chicken thighs. Also got a package from Nespresso, and I am so excited for this because I drank my last Nespresso pod. Oh my god, oh my god. Beautiful, beautiful. So autumn. Perfect. So we've got our pumpkin spice cake Nespresso coffee here. Let's see my reaction. It smells a little pumpkin-y. It's not like extreme. I mean, it just smells like normal coffee with like a hint of pumpkin spice. Freaking just broke my tongue. Oh, okay. So it just tastes like normal coffee. I don't know what I was expecting. I guess I thought it would be sweeter. Like, I know there's no sugar in it or anything, but I just assumed it would have more of that aroma. That was underwhelming. Just tastes like black coffee with like some cinnamon, a little bit of cinnamon. And pumpkin spice is not, it's just the spice that you put in the pumpkin pie. So it's not like there's gonna be pumpkin flavor in it. So, I mean, it's just the spice, so. But it said cake though. Does it taste cakey? No, it doesn't. Sorry, my arm just keeps dying. Anyways, yeah, well. There we have it. A beautiful vase for display and organization. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe down below, as I will be posting a lot more fitness and health content. Anyways, I will talk to you guys later. Bye!